Baruch Hashem, and today I'm going to be unboxing a mystery box. So I subscribe to the 731 Woodworks newsletter. I often enter into their sweepstakes and things of that nature, and a part of that is signing up for their newsletter. And it does have some pretty good stuff. Now, once a year, they usually include the Taylor Toolworks mystery box. I've been tempted to do this a couple of times, but this year I decided I was going to go ahead and get me one of those mystery boxes. If you're not familiar with the Taylor Tools mystery box, basically what they do is they take a number of items, which I assume are clearance or overstock items. They put it into a box, and they say it's about $100 worth of products that they sell to you for $50. So I happened to choose mystery box number 3, and it cost me $49.99, and if you include shipping and of course all of my local county and state taxes, the grand total was $60.98. I ordered it December 8th. It was sent on December 11th via FedEx. I got good emails from Taylor Toolworks, and I was able to track it through FedEx, and it arrived at my home on December 14th. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this box. If you ordered a mystery box, please comment below. Tell me whether you liked it, whether you didn't like it, what you got in there, whether you were satisfied. Okay, let's see what we have here. Tool number 1. It is a C-clamp, and it's one pair. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what this looks like. These are big heavy-duty C-clamps. So here we go. Let's go ahead and put that here. Put this on the side. We have here a quick change hex shank drill bit, which is 3/8. Okay. Okay. So what this is for pocket holes. We have here it looks like this is one of those stops that you would put into the shank of the drill so that it only goes so far. So a depth stop, if you will. This is a shelf pin bit. So this looks like this is the type of drill that you would use that if you're doing shelving units and you make a bunch of those repeatable holes for the shelves, this is what you would use to make those. It looks like it's almost self-centering, and it plunges in, and so now it actually fits into those templates. All right, we have here automatic grabbers. These are basically needle nose pliers that lock. Alright, let's see what this is. This is just says a blue canvas. Oh, well, so this is probably a bag that I would assume you could put tools and chisels in. You'd put it into each of these pockets here, and then you would just roll it up and tie it up. I'm assuming that's what this looks like to be. Here is a tiny little ruler from Benchmark Tools, and it looks like a stainless steel 6-inch rigid rule chrome. And then the last item here looks to be a high quality plastic quick clamp, which are 6-inch. It's a 2-pack, it says here. So here we are, 2 small quick clamps. Okay, so here we are with the items from our mystery box. Not sure if I'll use this. Needle nose can be useful for a number of things. The little ruler might be useful for a couple of things. I'm sure this is going to come in handy for a couple of items. I am going to be making some shelves for right on this wall back here. I'm going to do some built-ins and also for the wall that's on the other side of this camera. I wasn't originally planning on doing holes. I was going to use a different shelving system. But who knows? Maybe since I have this, I may wind up doing the regular hole pins. I don't do pocket holes yet, but I'm sure this could come in handy. And of course, with the clamps, you can never have too many clamps. At least that's what they tell me. So overall, I guess I'm a little bit underwhelmed. I was hoping I would get a little bit, maybe fewer items, but something of a little bit, I would hope, more useful. Things like, maybe a 1, 2, 3 block I was really hoping for, maybe some sort of square or what have you. Clamps are good, but once again, I think they were just, these mystery boxes are a good way for Taylor Toolworks to try and get rid of some of their overstock and their clearance items. And to a certain extent that sort of shows because, these are not necessarily items that I would say to myself, oh, I really, really need this. Or even something that I've been eyeing and saying, oh, well, I'll get it when I need it. And, these items over here is probably fill into that niche. This, maybe if I get some chisels or whatnot, or if I do some traveling maybe, which I really don't anticipate doing. But, it was okay. But I think final thoughts also is that, Taylor Toolworks is a local mom and pop shop. I know that a number of online woodworkers support them, and I have looked at a couple of things. I think they do a lot of good things. I think they are worth supporting. Would I do this again next year? Maybe not. But, maybe you had a better experience. Maybe you had a better mystery box. So if you ordered a mystery box, please comment below. Tell me whether you liked it, whether you didn't like it, what you got in there, whether you were satisfied. Either way, Taylor Toolworks, I believe, is a good company that is worth supporting, and I'm happy I gave this a try, and maybe you'll have better success than I did. Thank you, and happy woodworking.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please tell your friends about us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like and comment on this video. A Woodworker's Journey is brought to you by the generous support of people like you. You can support this program by going to our Patreon page at www.patreon.com/AELLC to become a friend of the show. We could not do this without you. Thank you for your time, and I hope you found today's episode entertaining.